Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Bosch GSH5CE. The lights are on but nobody's home. This one's about 5 months old, believe it or not. Date of manufacture 2021, but it's not old. It's either one of two things with these. It's either the brushes or the actual lead. I'm trying to manipulate the lead to see if it'll go, but no. I'm guessing it's a lead, if I'm honest. The only thing to do is have a little look, so I'll unplug this and get into it as soon as I can here. If you look at the brushes there is very minimal wear on them. Very minimal wear on them. There's no wears off there in the brushes. So what I'm going to do to see if it fixes it, I could do a continuity test, but I think if I just cut a bit off the cable, I would say it's usually up at this part of the cable's issue. I just cut a bit off the cable and reconnect it. There's the bit to be removed. It's no longer part of the plan. Let's see if we can get this going now. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.